Have you ever made sushi?
No, but I've rolled a ton of joints, so this ought to be pretty easy. Hello, my name is Chris Pratt.
My name is Tom Holland.
Today here with Tastemade, we're making little sushi.
I'm intrigued, right.
Okay, looks like you dumped some salt into the rice. Easy.
Was that,
And then
is
the
that really? I
salt.
don't know if that was what that was, mate.
And then she takes out these little tiny bits of vegetables, and then you lick, puff, puff, pass. Everyone knows this game.
Gotta
And then
throw
you
the-
throw
All right, okay.
pumpkin seeds at a devil on the
Tastemade.
wall. Now I'm gonna go with.
Did you use the spoon to mix it up?
I'm not telling you, bro. One snack to eat for the rest of my life: potato chips.
Really?
Yeah,
For real?
yeah.
Oh, that's a good question. I don't really know. I'd like an oven pizza. Like one that you can just bang in the oven that you keep in the freezer.
Bang in the oven.
Okay, hang on.
When you live in a van as a 19-year-old, you spend a lot of time rolling
Sushi rolls.
sushi.
Anything like spaghetti is bad because it's tricky to eat and it's you know, you gotta, and then who knows.
However, it could be like a good personality test. Order a spinach salad, intentionally get some of that green stuck up in them teeth. Stare at her, say, "What's up, bro?" And if she goes, "Hey, bro, you got something in your teeth?"
Marry
Road
her.
dog for life. I'm getting rid of the bamboo. Lose that. And go old school.
Is there stuff in here we need? Did you eat that?
I'm intermittent fasting. I can't have food until noon.
Mine is miserable.
I made one. Do I want to make another one? Why not? What is normal to eat for me but not for others? I grew up
like
hunting squirrel.
You eat squirrel?
Yeah, bruh. It's kind of a little bit like raccoon, but greasier.
Oh yeah, because I eat raccoons all the time. My favorite meal to cook at home, I do this amazing thing where I go on this app and then I press a bunch of buttons and then all of a sudden there's food. It's amazing. Well, I feel like I've got to a good place. That's neat.
That's a pretty good one. I love unagi. I love uni sushi, sashito peppers, popcorn shrimp. I'll get a big sashimi platter, a lobster roll, a dragon roll, and a spicy crab roll. That's actually pretty good.
How do you make it stick together though?
You gotta give it that old spliff-a-licka. Nice.
Like a roast chicken or something. You know, it's very traditionally English. I'm very proud to be English.
Probably like just a big salad with lots of steak in it and
Stuck on my lip.
a little bit of nuts. You know what I mean?
Totally stuck on my lip.
What'd you do?
It's stuck on my lip. It won't come up. Help me.
There you go, friend.
It's tasty though.
New York, all day.
I like the
deep,
Chicago one.
like the deep crusty one.
Yeah, the
No.
one that's like a pie.
I can tell you, I know these are subjective things, but that answer is wrong.
Man, this is the slimiest cucumber ever. Come on, mate. What are you doing?
I'm gonna keep
Slimes.
this spoon real quick, just so you know.
Oh, this one's good. This one's good.
Okay. Very good. I'd be pretty pissed if
Imagine
my
if you
sushi
sat
chef
down.
licked my sushi as much as I've licked this.
Oh, you've gone for 2. For 3.
And Tom, how many did you make?
I just made the one because mine's perfect.
There you go.
The Leaning
watch.
Tower of...
Get it. A lot more fun watching it. Don't eat it, I licked that. That's cool. How'd I do?
That was so salty, man.
Yeah, I put all the salt in it.